Hi, this is one of a series of videos about mediation analysis, and in this video we're going to look at how to download and install the process tool in IBM SPSS Statistics. So first off, you need to go to this website, the link's in the description, and we scroll down to this section here where it talks about the process macro. And for newest versions of SPSS, we want to download process version 5, so we click on this button here. That initiates the download, which you will find in your downloads folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag that to my desktop, and it's a zip file. So I'm on a Mac, as you can see. I can just double click this and it will open that zip file, and we get a folder called process v5. And within that folder there's all sorts of stuff, including a subfolder which has the stuff for SPSS. So we'll just have a look inside there. You can see various files, there's installation instructions, etc, etc, etc. Now what we're going to do is just have a look at how to install it. So we've got that file. We then fire up SPSS. Here is SPSS fired up, and we go to the extensions menu, and we want to install a local extension bundle. So having done that, we then navigate to, in my case, I've put it in my desktop. Where's my desktop? Here it is. And go to this process 5 folder, go to the SPSS folder, and we're looking for this file here, process.spe. Click on that and click on open. Get a nice message telling us it's been installed. That's reassuring. And now if we go to the analyze menu, what we should find is under regression, there is now this menu here, process version 5 by Andrew Hayes. Job done. Now there's another video that will show us how to use this tool with a specific example of running a mediation analysis. Link to that is in the description.